Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rubbing compound is probably one of the most crucial products for boat owners looking to restore their vessel's shine and protect its surface. Whether you're dealing with unsightly scratches, stubborn oxidation, or dullness caused by sun exposure, the right rubbing compound can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll dive into the best rubbing compounds available, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your boat looking its absolute best. Number 5. Chemical Guys VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. Introducing VSS, the easy-to-use polish. It quickly removes scratches and defects, then finishes like a fine polish. This delivers a mirror finish in just one step. VSS restores a lustrous, scratch-free finish. It does this without filling in or covering up any imperfections. You'll be amazed by the results. For cars with light to moderate swirl marks and scratches, this is the perfect one-step solution. It cuts hard like a compound and finishes like a polish. This helps restore shine quickly. Car enthusiasts choose Chemical Guys for a reason. They offer the finest car care products and world-class customer support. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle. This product is designed for use on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your detailing needs. Try it today. What we like. This product offers a one-step solution, making it incredibly easy to use. It delivers a mirror-like finish, saving you time and product. If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to remove swirls and scratches, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This product works. I am very impressed with this product. I have only used by hand polishing, but so far on surface scratches it works great. Number 4. Chemical Guys V-Line Polish and Compound Sample Kit. This kit offers a complete solution for achieving a flawless finish. It includes a range of compounds and polishes, providing everything you need to restore your vehicle's appearance. Tackle those unsightly scratches and swirl marks with ease. The V32 and V34 compounds are designed to effectively eliminate heavy imperfections, leaving the surface smooth. Refine the gloss and clarity of your vehicle's paint. The V36 and V38 polishes are perfect for newer cars or after compounding, enhancing the shine. This kit utilizes microabrasive technology for precision and clarity. It ensures a high-quality restoration process, delivering exceptional results. Get genuine, lasting results without any fillers. What you see is what you get, ensuring the true quality of the product shines through. What we like. This kit is an all-inclusive sampler, providing everything you need for a flawless finish. It effectively tackles heavy scratches and swirl marks. If you have varying degrees of imperfections on your boat, this comprehensive kit will help you achieve professional-level results. What people say. Easy to use, especially with a debuffer which is newer than the traditional rotating. One pass removed 90% of the scratches. Second pass, they were 99% removed. I used the V34 polish with the Porter Cable 7424 XPDA that I purchased in CG Orange Hex Pad. I buffed out all scratches from the hood of my wife's 2003 Corolla, then followed up with the white Hex Pad V36 then V38 polish. Wow! Looks like new again. Number 3. Number 7 Heavy-Duty Rubbing Compound, 10 fluid ounces. This heavy-duty rubbing compound is designed to clean and restore surfaces. It effectively removes imperfections, leaving the surface looking refreshed and revitalized. Are you tired of unsightly scratches and stains? This product is formulated to tackle those issues head-on. It works effectively to eliminate deep scratches and stubborn stains. Does your car's finish look dull? This compound can restore the shine. It revitalizes dull finishes, bringing back a brilliant, like-new appearance. This product isn't just for paint, it's also safe for plastic surfaces. It can be used to remove imperfections and restore shine on various plastic components. Proudly made in the United States, this product represents quality and reliability. You can trust it to deliver exceptional results. What we like. This product is designed to remove deep scratches and stains, restoring shine to dull finishes. It effectively cleans and restores surfaces. If you're dealing with significant damage and want to bring your boat back to life, this is a great option. What people say. The product effectively removed oxidation and restored the shine to the boat's gel coat. It is easy to apply and remove, saving time and effort. The compound works well on various boat surfaces. Number 2. Chemical Guy's C4 Clear Cut Correction Compound. This product is designed to restore your paint to its original glory. It cuts deep to remove scratches, swirls, and other imperfections. Follow this up with Chemical Guy's P4 Polish for the best results. C4 works quickly, delivering amazing results in less time than other products. It's designed for fast paint correction, so you can get the job done efficiently. This compound maintains a consistent cut throughout the process, giving you ultimate control. You can expect predictable and reliable results every time you use it. Unlike other heavy cutting compounds, this one produces very little dust. This means less mess and less time spent cleaning up, while still delivering amazing results. It's designed to finish to perfection, unlike other abrasive compounds. This means less micro-marring and fewer steps needed to achieve a perfect finish. What we like. This is the ultimate paint restorer, cutting deep to remove scratches and imperfections. It's a fast-acting compound, saving you time. If you are looking for a product that delivers consistent results and minimizes dust, this is the one for you. What people say. The product worked as advertised and removed oxidation from my boat. It is easy to use and provides a great shine. This product is great for removing scratches and restoring the shine to the boat's gel coat. Number 1. 3M Super Duty Rubbing Compound 05954. This compound offers a high cut rate, making it efficient for removing imperfections. It's designed to work quickly and effectively on various surfaces. It helps to refine the surface by removing scratches. This product is suitable for use on automotive and marine paint and gel coat surfaces. This product cuts through oxidation, restoring the finish. It's great for weathered paints and gel coats, bringing them back to life. It removes imperfections with minimal effort. The long wet time and high cut rate make the process easier and faster. This product is intended for industrial and occupational use. It is not for consumer sale or use. What we like. This product delivers a high cut rate, making it efficient for removing imperfections. It effectively removes oxidation, restoring your boat's finish. If you like a product that requires minimal effort and delivers maximum results, this is a great choice. What people say. Brought back the color of the fiberglass boat easily, removing all the contamination and oxidation. As a do-it-yourself guy, I am able to manage to remove all swirls and scratches with this compound. Great value, works very well to shine paint back to original state. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.